Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Chrome and preparing to remove saved passwords. This prevents accidental data loss. Sign out of your Google account or pause sync so deletions don't propagate unexpectedly to other devices. Then go straight to Chrome, //settings/passwords or settings autofill passwords. This is where stored credentials live. Make sure you export or note any logins you need later. Export creates a CSV file for recovery. Once done, toggle off Offer to Save Passwords if you don't want future prompts. Now you'll remove the stored credentials themselves. This is the core action. Scroll the password list and use the three-dot menu on any entry to remove one by one. This gives precise control. Alternatively, export first and then use Clear Browsing Data, Advanced Passwords, and other sign-in data to wipe everything at once. But be careful. This deletes all saved logins. Make sure to lock or securely store any exported CSV immediately since it contains plain text passwords. Treat it as highly sensitive. Finish by cleaning server-side copies and confirming sync settings, otherwise removed passwords may reappear. Visit Passwords, Google.com and delete any entries stored in your Google account, then turn off sync or remove the device from your account to stop propagation. Make sure Offer to Save Passwords is disabled so Chrome won't repopulate logins. If passwords come back, clear browser cache, disable suspect extensions, and sign out, then back in to refresh settings. This usually resolves synchronization glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.